Okay, today we're gonna learn how to make a fun PowerPoint slide. Let's select one. And for the title, I like to add a little bit more fun to it, more texture. So you can go to Insert, Text, more art, and you can choose as you wish. I'm gonna choose this one. And my title is Classroom Rules. I'm gonna move it up a little. Put my name. Okay. Let's go into the next slide, which is going to be about how to implement classroom rules. Okay, let's say I type my text. I already have it in here, and I want to insert an image. I'm going to click on this square and make it a little smaller, and then we go to Google to find an image. So, some rules, go to images, and I'm going to look for one that is more appropriate for my slide. Let's see, which ones do I like? Let's say this one. This one says you drag it and you drop it on your slide. And then you click on it and you drag it right here or where you want it, and then you can make it smaller or bigger as you wish. You can move it and center it. Now, something that is fun, at the beginning of your slide, you can add sound effects. So let's go to wherever slide you want, for example, number 1 at the beginning, and you go to Transitions, Sound, Applause, and then let's check it out. And that's how you can make a fun slide.